Hello everyone, I'm Lacey and welcome to my channel. No December na and usually when I prepare for the upcoming year, bumibili ako ng planner. Kaya naman for this video, I'll be doing a review of this Design Your Life 2021 planner by C&S Designs. And also, I'll be comparing it with my previous planners. Yung current ko na planner 2020, tsaka yung mga planner ko from previous years. So, before I start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button for you to be notified with my new uploads. So, just a background, I bought this Design Your Life 2021 planner online. Kasi usually talaga, bumibili lang ako dito sa mga bookstores, mga office supply store dito sa Davao. However, to my surprise, December na pero wala pang naka-display ng mga planner. Kaya naman naghanap ako sa marketplace. And luckily, kasi gusto ko talaga na maka-input na sa isa sa planner before mag-start ang year. Kaya naman naghanap ako ng mga online shops na meron talaga sila yung on-hand. And luckily, I got this planner. Now, this is very different from my previous planner kasi kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung mga planners ko before. Very plain lang. Kung mapapansin nyo, yan, this is my 2020 planner, my 2019, my 2018, 2018, my 2018 planner. Ito yung 2016. So, usually, mga 1 or 2 colors lang siya. Wala talaga siya masyadong design. So, this is the first time that I'll be using this kind of planner, yung medyo artsy-fartsy na type of planner. Okay, eto na. So, we will start with the review. So, yung first, syempre, is yung sa price. So, this one, it's 695 pesos. Kung i-compare mo sa aking previous planners, medyo mahal ito kasi yung mga previous planners ko, roughly around 150 plus to 300 pesos. 300 pesos na yung pinakamahal talaga. So, but, kung i-evaluate mo naman, kahit mahal ito siya, para kasing different sila na kind of, na bracket ng group of planners. Kasi ito, like mga super simple kind of planners na talaga siya. Wala siyang mga art. Tingnan ko na kasi walang sulat. Yan, wala masyadong ka-art. Yan. Compare dito na medyo, it's very like colorful. So, syempre, maintindihan mo naman kung bakit. Medyo mahal talaga ito. At saka, yung mga ka-bracket siguro rin ito na type of planners is yung mga like same sa Belle de Jour, yung mga around 500 to 700 pesos na kind of planner. So, but for the price naman niya, I think sakto lang naman din na medyo higher siya compared sa yung usual na nabibili ko sa bookstore. Now, for the size and thickness, so, halos lahat ng planner ko same ang size. For 5 years, I think 5 years, same sila ng size. So, etong Design Your Life planner, medyo, malapad, and medyo, shorter siya. Hindi. Same lang siya sa height, pero medyo malapad lang. As to the thickness, so, medyo makapal siya kasi nga, hardcover siya compared din. Parang naman sila hardcover, medyo makapal lang Makapal lang ito compared sa aking mga other planners. Yung aking 2014, I think, yung mas makapal kasi different sila ng ng material na ginamit. Tsaka ito kasi, I think, per page kasi, yes, oo. Parang yan. Per page yung parang ina-allot na space. So, medyo, kaya makapal talaga. Compared yung sa other planners ko na, I think, yung 7 days ang nasa isang spread yan. Now, for the design, so, kung ito siya, hardcover siya with matte finish and kung mapapasin it's very colorful. So, very opposite sa aking previous planners. I think medyo close lang siya dito sa mga ganito ka na planner, pero plain lang pa din siya. Medyo lang siya, colorful din siya. Okay, so let's look what's inside this planner. So, yung first page, nandito yung part na kung saan lalagay mo yung name mo. So, this is pretty basic, and same sa other planners ko na naka-indicate kung asa mo pwede ilagay yung name mo and other important information. However, yung difference talaga is yung mga organization tools dito sa loob. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga tabs. So, this one is more on sa goals. And then, meron kang mga organization tools. I think yung blue. And then, meron kang for social. So, that's yung events. And yung cash flow, yung sa financial mo. So, ito yung parang nag-attract no, sa akin, yung financial na part. Kaya naman, na-entice akong bilhin siya. So, for the goals, dito naka-indicate, dito mo isusulat yung mga plans mo. Then, there's also a part about fears na, like, fear setting. But I'm not sure if I would really be using this. There's also yung, like, kung meron kang year goals, meron ka ding monthly goals. And then, this is also nice, wherein you put a, what I learned, or who and what was my teacher. So, at least every month, meron kang like, para siyang sort of diary din na malagay mo like, ano yung parang na-learn mo for that month. So, I think this is nice. This one is about like health check, like ano yung mga kinain mong nutritious ba, and may progress ba sa body mo. So, I think this will be helpful for me kasi nga, para sa aking goals ng 2020, mag-lose ng weight, but unfortunately, medyo naparami ang kain natin sa 2020, lalo na parati tayong nasa bahay. So, another part sa 2021 is, na planner na ito, is yung travel checklist. Pwede mo ilagay yung itinerary, tsaka yung parang things na kailangan mo dadalhin for that, for the travel, ganyan. So, may tatlo dito actually, tatlong travel planner. And then also, meron din part about list, like ano yung mga parang gusto mo, like bucket list, must try, must see. So, maganda ito. So, hopefully, when everything will be back to normal, pwede na tayo makapag-travel ulit na bongga. Meron din part about last time. So, dito is, ino-note mo yung mga, like, for example, yung hindi talaga parang parating mong ginagawa. Like, for example, pumunta ka sa dentist, so last check-up, last visit sa dentist, ganyan. And then also, merong monthly, so hindi ko papakita yung sa monthlies yan, para siyang tracker of everything, like to-do list. Pero yung ginawa ko kasi, hindi ko siya ginawang tracker for to-do list, but tracker sa bills na para ma-ensure ko na lahat, ito yung i-check ko if nabayaran ko lahat for that month, or ano pa yung upcoming ko na magbe-bill for the coming days. And then, meron din part about the key. So, according here, this is a password tracker daw sa categories, the sites, or apps. So, but I'm not sure if I'll be using this. So, ito yung parang sa socials na, continue ko yung sa socials na part, yung event planner. Meron din part on gift list. So, maybe this will be really useful pagdating ng December. And also, ito yung cash flow. Ayan. Wow! So, parang may naka-indicate like ano yung mga yung income. Like, for example, ilan yung, like for me, siguro more yung sa allowance ko na, yung every month ko na allowance. Kasi since mag-aaral ako puhon-puhon. And then bills, and then yung savings after. So, may area din for notes. So, nagsulat na ako actually. So, ang nilagay ko actually dito is yung mga needs ko for, like, sa apartment. So, anything yung pwedeng sulat. So, notes. And then, pagdating mo dito na part, so, sa bawat month, mayroong iba-ibang design. So, this one's for January. So, it's very cute. And, maganda is start, mayroong part about goal statement, kanyan. Meron din about sleep tracker. And then, kung trip mo din maglagay ng picture, why not? Like, ano yung milestone mo sa that month. So, cute siya. Kasi hindi lang siya like, yung parehas dito sa akin, yung mga previous ones na, like, sinusulat ko ang task, but para siyang sort of diary din. And then, after this one, meron rin yung part about expenses. So, maganda din to. So, I think ito yung talagang magagamit ko ng bongga-bongga yung sa expenses. And then, after the expenses is meron yung monthly calendar. And after nito, yun na, yung per month. Yung per month, yung per day. So, sa isang spread, nandito yung buong week. So, Monday start yung sa kanya. May iba naman na Sunday, like mga other planners ko halos lahat data nito is. Hindi, halos lahat Monday. May iba lang Sunday, but sa akin hindi naman nagka-matter kung ang start date niya is Monday or Sunday. Basta lang, mayroon lang enough space. Like, ito naman, mukhang malaki naman yung space na inallocate per day. So, this is very helpful. Kasi nakatry ako yung, I think, yung 2016 ko na kada page is 1 day. Medyo ano din siya masyado. Masyado na din malaki yung space for it. So, okay na itong ganito na part. So, yan, yung other design. So, it's really cute. So, kung gusto mo ma-inspire, magsulat-sulat in the like. So, this planner is for you talaga. And sa last part, this one, merong mga stickers. So, if you want to get more creative sa mga pinagsusulat dito, you can put stickers on it. And also, meron siyang parang pang bookmark. Siyempre, meron din siyang parang elastic band. So, like for example, i-close mo yan, pang ganyan. Though, I'm not sure, ito lang, hindi lang ako medyo positive dito sa expandable band. Kasi kung makita nyo yung aking 20 to 2018 yun. Yung kanina napitikan ako. Overtime na, syempre pag ginagamit mo, nasisira siya. So, pero okay naman kasi na hindi mo talaga ganito. Really matter if merong yung band. So, actually, baka makapangit pa nga siya kasi nga kung masira yun. Ganyan. Pinatali ko na ganito. Yung nasira siya before, nasira ito actually before natapos. Hindi pa natapos ang taon. So, ginagawa ko na is ganyan. Kasi masyado siyang or pwede naman siya i-cut. Actually, pero hindi ko pinat. Anyway, ito yung pinaka importante. So, yun. Overall, this planner is really beautiful. And then, I think even though, parang sa tingin mo, sa start is para siyang party lang. But, actually, it's very useful. And hindi siya ganun kabaliki. So, talagang magagamit mo ito. And, kung mahilig ka talaga magsulat, so, because, yung mga designs niya, parang mas may inspire ka talaga magsulat and mas may inspire ka na tapusin, like, gawin yung mga plan mo. Hindi lang siya, sinusulat mo lang, hindi, like, you implement it. So, if you want to buy this, so, I'll put the link below para sa website ng C&S Designs, and also, I'll put the link also kung sino yung parang nagbibenta on hand dito sa Davao. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. So, this ends my review for the Design Your Life 2021 planner, and I hope you like it. Bye-bye!